Today we're going to be looking at the all-new ECD Delta Head. Every part of the Delta was made to help you win. Strong design, smart support, and an awesome scoop. The Delta's shape gives you tons of control. After a cause turnover, you'll be ready to move fast and make plays. The head is also super stiff and stays strong hit after hit. And for ground balls, the scoop is smooth and fast. The Delta is a great option for any defender looking to be elite. If you want to learn more about the Delta Head, check it out in stores or online at lacrossemonkey.com.